Colt's open-top 22 pocket revolver. Now, these were manufactured from 1871 to 1877, and they had fair success. They're basically garter guns, or something that you could throw in the pocket. Now, they're single-action 22s, and they're chambered for 22 shorts. Now, in today's terms, that's equivalent to just a 22 short. These can be fired if you find a fireable model. Now, you have to be very meticulous about your safety inspection and make sure everything's in good order, but you could take 22 CB caps that fire only from the primer. The biggest thing is with these old black powder pistols, if you want to shoot any kind of modern ammunition through them, you have to make sure that that pressure level is minimized to the nth degree, if you do it at all, which is not recommended. But for something like this, a 22 CB, I've seen videos of them, they're okay to shoot. Unfortunately for me, mine is not in firing condition. Very sad, I know. I don't buy guns normally that don't shoot. But when you're hunting for a gun that is essentially 160 years old and you're getting it from a third-party vendor, well, you're kind of gambling a little bit, especially for something like this. So mine was actually manufactured in 1874, which is kind of fun because up until 1874, from 71 to 74, these were actually manufactured with an ejector rod, just like all the other Colt single actions. But these were not, starting in 1874 going up to 77, where you would have to use an individual push rod to get the spent case out. Much like today's barkeep that Heritage is putting out. Kind of neat, right? Seeing some of these borrowed concepts coming back. Well, anyway, the action on this works pretty darn well. You can put it to the half cock to load it. Then the cylinder will move freely. And then there's going to be this notch on the side right here is where you slide your cartridges through. And they'll go in, rotate to the next one, keep on, keep on, keep on. And then obviously, just like every other single action, you just cock it and then bring it back down. Now the neat thing about this is, the way that it's designed is that remains open. There's no gate to open or close. So the way it does it is, and obviously it's not loaded, I can't fire the darn thing. So when you take it to the full cock, it actually offsets it. You can see how it's kind of offset. Well, that'll actually rest on the case so it won't be jostled loose while you're firing, which is kind of a neat concept. So the takedown method of this thing is actually kind of interesting. You'll want to set it on the half cock, just like any other. And then it's got this little swivel right here. You just swivel it out, pull the barrel off directly, pull the cylinder out, and there you have it. You essentially field strip this thing so you can do any kind of minor cleaning that you need to do. And then reassembly is the same way. Put that on there, follow it up with the barrel on the arbor, close it up, and then decock it, and it's ready to go.